we'll guide you through how to use Zapier Formatter to enhance your automation workflows. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and start by creating a new Zap. Choose your trigger app and set up the trigger event. After you've set your trigger, it's time to introduce the Formatter step. Click on the plus sign to add an action step and select Formatter by Zapier from the list of apps. Now, you'll see different options like text, numbers, date/time, and more. Choose the one that suits your needs. For example, if you want to manipulate text, select Text and then choose an action like Split Text or Replace. In the next step, you need to configure the formatter by selecting the input data you want to modify. You can do this by clicking on the drop-down menu and choosing the appropriate field from your trigger app. Let's say you're splitting text, you'll need to specify the separator and optionally the segment index. Once you've set it up, click Continue to test the step. Zapier will run a test to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see the formatted output that you can use in the next steps of your Zap. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. Your formatter step is now live and will run every time the Zap is triggered. This can be incredibly powerful for cleaning up data, converting formats, or extracting specific information. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.